It's Tuesday, and Tuesday means it is a homophone pronunciation lesson. I'm Jennifer Tarle with Tarle Speech. Let's learn these two words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. We have lye, which is a strong alkaline solution, often used in soap making and cleaning, and lie, which is a fib, to not tell the truth, or to recline and rest in a horizontal position. These words are pronounced exactly the same way with two little sounds. L, I. Let's start with that L. Touch the tip of the tongue to the spot where the teeth and the skin on the roof of the mouth meet. L. Then move to the I. To do that, open wide, tip of the tongue is low, and then close the mouth, and the tongue will move to high and flat. I. I. Lie. 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 Now you try it. Lie, lie, lie. And now for a sentence. Be careful when working with lie, as it can be dangerous, especially if you lie down while doing the job. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this lesson helpful, check the description below. I have so many homophones that help you learn to listen more clearly, to be very clear and well understood, and it will expand your vocabulary. Join me tomorrow for another lesson, everybody, celebrating 20 years here at Tarle Speech. Thanks.